Do you know your unique purpose and path in life? The one that you can take that leads you to the most fulfillment, joy, and abundance possible? Or are you feeling stuck, spinning your wheels, showing up to a job every day that you dislike simply so you can pay the bills, and always questioning and wondering, is there more to your life than this? Well, imagine if there was a compass available to navigate for you, your path, your direction, and the steps to take to align your energy with your unique life purpose and have the practical, actionable steps to fulfill it. Well, it may not be a magic compass, but there is a way, there is a solution for you to find your unique direction and path in life and the steps to take to get there. So I would love to share that with you. My name is Melissa Kitto, and I have been tapping into my inner guidance and aligning with my unique life purpose since I was a teenager. I've spent the last 20 years mentoring thousands of people across the globe on how to find their unique purpose and the roadmap to get there so they can actually make those dreams real. Unfortunately, you probably don't realize that you are skipping some essential steps to finding your life purpose simply because you didn't even know these steps existed. And you didn't know how critical these steps are to aligning and fulfilling your purpose and creating that joyful life that is possible for you, simply because nobody is talking about this. So I want to reveal to you exactly what these essential and missing steps for most people are in a free upcoming masterclass that I'll be hosting in just a few days. It's called The Essential Steps to Finding Your Unique Life Purpose and Living It with Joy and Abundance. Go ahead and click the button that you see right under this video. It will take you to a registration page. Pick the class time that works best for you and go ahead and enter your details. And yes, it will be recorded. I can't wait to see you there live so that you can discover these missing and essential steps to finding your life purpose so you can have this big picture view and finally get the clarity that you've been seeking, direction and purpose. I'll see you there live.